In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your game activity show on Discord. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, sharing what you're playing with your friends and community can enhance your online interactions. Let's dive right into it and walk through the steps needed to display your game activity on Discord. First, open up your favorite web browser and head over to discord.com. Once you're there, you'll see a button in the top right corner that says Login. Give it a click. This will prompt you to enter your login credentials, so go ahead and type in your email address followed by your password. Once everything is typed in, click that login button again and you'll be whisked away to your Discord account. Now, to adjust your settings to show your game activity, locate the settings icon. This is represented by a gear and you can find it towards the bottom left of your screen, right next to your username. Click on this gear icon, which will take you to the user settings page where you can modify various aspects of your Discord experience. Once you're in your settings, look for the section labeled Activity Privacy. This is where we're able to manage what activities Discord will display to others. Within this section, there's an option called Share My Activity. By default, this might be turned off. To let your friends and community see what games you're playing, simply toggle this option on. This will enable Discord to automatically recognize and display your current game activity whenever you're in-game. It's that easy. One additional tip for you, make sure that the game you're playing is added to your Discord library. If it doesn't automatically show up, you can do this by navigating to the registered games section within the game activity tab and adding it manually. And this extra step can be crucial for games that Discord might not recognize right off the bat. Once you've turned on Share My Activity, your friends will be able to see what you're up to when you're gaming, making it easy to join up for multiplayer games or just chill out and watch each other's progress. This feature does more than just update your status. It opens up opportunities for connection and conversation around the games you love. That wraps up our tutorial on how to make your game activity show on Discord. Thanks for joining in, and I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials that will help you get the most out of your Discord experience. Until next time, happy gaming.